This 8kg AddWash washing machine from Samsung has a number of great features and technologies to ensure that you get the best wash performance whilst conserving energy and saving money. The AddWash door allows you to quickly add extra laundry at any time during the wash. Simply open the door to quickly drop in what you need. A fantastic feature if you come across a stray sock or realise you forgot to add fabric softener. This innovative technology makes laundry life that bit easier. The digital inverter motor uses strong magnets instead of brushes to deliver superior energy efficiency, minimal noise and long-lasting performance. Because it uses high-quality components, it offers you exceptional durability, backed by a 10-year motor warranty. You can have this washing machine anywhere in your home without being disturbed by noise, and you won't have to worry about expensive or inconvenient repairs. Bubble soap technology assists you in removing a wide variety of stubborn stains. By adding an extra phase to a normal cycle, your clothes are thoroughly soaked in active bubbles that loosen dirt and stains so they can be effectively removed. This is a fantastic feature that helps make stain removal a less daunting task, with the simple touch of a button. Experience fantastic wash results and make your laundry days easier with this AddWash washing machine from Samsung.